lot of issues I could take up in Parliament, issues concerning Goa. So, quite satisfied, but a whole lot of more jobs to be done. Many more issues to be taken up in the next session.
Captain, recently the Wakf bill was passed. Your take on that?
See, there are so many problems in the country. There's unemployment. There are people who can't afford health. There are health issues. The inflation is at its peak. People can't afford 2 square meals a day. When there are so many problems, the government has got the time to bring this Wakf bill. For what? It has been passed now, forcefully, bulldozed. Now if you see that the provisions of the bill, they are against the community. Now when the government and their lead speakers, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister and the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, they said that they want to take care of the Muslim community. This bill has been brought for the benefit of the community. Who is talking this language? From the BJP, you don't have the guts or the gracefulness, I will say, to give a ticket to a single candidate from the Muslim community, and you are talking about looking after the Muslim community. It's a big joke. Secondly, some provisions which are there. Now, if there is a property which is under the Wakf body or trust, this particular bill gives powers to the collector. The collector will decide whether it belongs to the Wakf or it belongs to government. Now, whether it belongs to government, who is collector? Collector is somebody working for the government. So, you will become the judge for your own property, or you want to snatch the property from the Wakf. Then, other thing which we told them, which they have not accepted, you are bringing a person from non-Muslim community. A non-Muslim, you are putting it on the body to decide. Now, that is itself shows that there is an ulterior motive of the government. Today you are doing it with the Muslim community. Tomorrow you will be doing with some other minority community. And we have lived as, in harmony, communal harmony. Why are you creating this problem, engineering this problem of communal disparity in the country? So there are so lot of things where opposition parties came together. They tried to put sense in the government, but somehow it now seems that the government is hell-bent in creating a divide in the name of religion by interfering in the religious affairs of a community.